welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. I've missed you all so much. If you're new to my channel, please kindly like, share and subscribe. I love you all so much. So in today's video, this is going to be a step-by-step process of how I actually do my sleek low bun with my 4C. You guys can remember from my last video, this was the spray I made and it's almost finished, guys. But yes, I'm here for the hair growth, so I'm just gonna spray a little bit because my hair is a bit dry. I don't even know what was happening to me at this point. It's a bit dry, so I just don't want to comb it as it's dry, so I just literally want it to be moist, so I do not have to feel so much pain, guys. So this process of me trying to like stretch out my hair is because I do not want to use the comb yet. All we're going to be using for this is the Eco Styling Gel. You can get any color of your choice. It can play the same role. Then we have the Shine and Jam. This is the major key to having a sleek bun hair. So yes, guys, so I'm just going to show you the comb and the type of comb I use. You can see this, and if you want to get it, you can also get it. This one, I use it to divide my hair into sections, and yes, we have the that's the brush, and also our rope to tie it and get even more volume at the back of our hair. So guys, you remember from my last video, I told you that when you're combing, you just comb from the tip to the inner side. So I like to section my hair anytime I'm trying to comb, so I do not just go everywhere and then my hair breaks down. So guys, this is literally hard, but then I'm going to section my hair just to show you guys how it's done. So guys, I'm just going to comb this out a bit by starting from the tip, you know, the rules of combing your natural hair. So yes, I'm just trying to comb it. Now, why I chose this comb is because when you comb it, it stretches. You can see the difference between my uncombed hair and the other side. So that's why we have to use this hair. So I'm just going to pack it a bit because it was literally obstructing most of the things I was actually combing. So we're just gonna hold the hair at the back. You can see how it is. One of the reasons why I sectioned my hair is because I want to get most volume out of my hair. And yes, we're gonna take the Eco Styling Gel, just a little bit. I really do not want to use a lot of gel on my hair because I don't want that whitish stain to come out when it's dried up. So guys, we're just going to put the gel around that section, and we're doing this to get a sleek bun. So yes, guys, I'm trying to stretch it out more so we can get you can see how the sides are and you see how the sections are. I didn't use any head tie around that part, but if you want to get the sections perfectly right, just tie that side before getting to the front of your hair. So guys, this is the section comb and it's fixable. You can use the two sides, anyone which actually gives you a more distinct cutting. So I'm just going to cut from the middle to center of my hair, and you need to make sure it's the center of your hair so you have equal volume at each side. So guys, I've properly partitioned my hair and I'm going to pack the other side of my hair so I can be able to gel down that side. So guys, always know that the key to this is always stretching your hair so you can get maximum volume out of your hair and you can get a bun at the lower side of your head. So guys, I'm just combing this out and then I'm going to section this so I can get all the necessary little gels I can get into that section, and then we're just going to comb it. If your hair is extremely dry, I'd advise you to not mix a lot of water with the gel because you will have white stains. I repeat, if your hair is very dry, do not mix. Just get a moisturizing cream, that's better, and then you apply We have different varieties of moisturizers, but the best one I actually use currently is the anti-jack. Do you see how it is and how my hair stretches? So always use your fingers or your hands to actually stretch your hair before coming in with the comb. So I'm just going to always comb it down, so when I gel it, it gives me an easier consistency. So guys, we're just going to apply it. If you've noticed, I didn't apply a lot of the Eco Styling Gel on my initial layout because we're just going to layer 2 stages of my hair. And always know that the key is that we do not want to get so much gel on our hair to avoid it being white. That's the key. So I used a different comb to lay it down completely. This comb is way stronger than the other, but the other is called more of like a stretcher comb, while this is called more of like the layer comb. So this lays it down properly, and you can see me, I'm just trying to put it down with my hand and palm it more, and then I'm just going to wrap this up so you can see how it is. It's coming along very nice, guys. So I'm going to do the same for the other section like we said. Then I'll just pack this other side and then get our lovely bun all ready together. One thing I like about this hair comb is that it stretches my hair. Oh, look at the length of my hair, guys. Yes, this is coming so well. Guys, I'm just going to take the rope, and why I'm using the rope is because I want to get a lot of volume of my hair outside of the bun. So I'm just going to wrap the rope around my hair, and I'll level it to the extent at which of how I want it as low as, and then I'll bring the other side to hold it very well and pull again, then bring the other side across, the other rope across, making sure that I hold my hair tightly. And yes, you can see you have to tighten the other side, then tighten it properly, and then you can, as low as you can want, and then you can see and tie it as profusely as you want. I don't really like tying my hair that tight because it gives me headache. I don't know, a lot of people like tying it that tight. I really don't like it. It gives me unnecessary headaches, guys. So we're just going to roll it and roll it and roll it to the end of the rope, and then we tuck the ropes in. You can see, guys, we've gotten what we want, the low bun, but then our layers of hair has to be laid properly. And I'm going to just use my brush and this other brush. This other brush I bought, I didn't really like how the intensity of the brush was. It wasn't really hard for it to comb my hair. And yeah, the one thing that lays edges as fast as without no leave out white stain. So I'm just going to use a generous amount of this. I mean, do not over exceed the amount. So I'm just going to use the generous amount of this. And then use my brush to layer it properly. Always know that the choice of your edge controls or the choice of your gel has to be the one that doesn't leave out white stains, because what's literally the point of having a slick when you're literally having a stain? So guys, I'm just going to layer everything. As you can see how the difference it is from my left side and my right side. So guys, I'm just going to layer this and we'll be done soon. So guys, we've gotten everything we want, and now I'm just pulling out some strings of my hair to actually make it longer at the bun side, and we are done, guys. We are really done. Most times if you pull out, sometimes you're going to have like a distinct on your hair, so just always like brush it out and get it evenly on your head. So I'm just going to go down with my edges, guys. This is the main part that I love. I don't like bringing out edges because my hair is a virgin hair, and most times along the hours of the day it's always going to pop back out or give that should I say the whitest thing because of my skincare on my face. So you have to avoid that. But then what we're going to do about the edges is that we're just going to layer it alongside with your main hair so you don't have to bring it out like having to do a proper baby hair, because that wouldn't last. Trust me, that wouldn't last at all, especially with girls that have virgin hair, forces, and the rest. Every other person can do it. If you have a relaxed hair, you can go along to do the baby hair, but this is the most advisable way to actually do your edges. And yes, guys, that's how beautiful it is on the other side. And we're going to do the other side of the place and just get my teddy out on the way too. Guys, we are done with this hair. Look at how pretty I look. Oh my god, guys, this is one of the most amazing styles we have. Look at the back of my hair, apparently produced. And you guys, yes guys, yes, I hope you learned a lot from this video. And if you want me to do more styles on how to style your natural hair, put in the comment section below. Yes guys, thank you so much for getting to this point of the video. As you can see, I didn't really use a lot of gel because I didn't want to have that whitish thing. That's the major thing, guys. So yes guys, I'm going to be trying out the clipping right now. Let's see how it's going to go. But first of all, if you have a very big hair or at the back of my hair, always know that you can just plait it so it can get better. Now, so hi guys, oh my god, I can't even believe that this actually came through. So what I did was that my sister made the extension stuff, and since I did this video like earlier today, I hadn't like washed my hair or anything, but then I'm going out right now, so I just have to like make up and dress, and look at it. You can actually just attach anything if you have it. Like I know like there are a lot of people that actually sell this for on Instagram, but look at, ooh. Ooh, thanks to you guys, the content actually made the night.